the digital gold rush, a new era of opportunity. The world is changing fast, money is evolving, the old ways are fading, a new era is upon us. It's a digital gold rush. Cryptocurrencies are the new frontier. Fortunes are being made, lives are being transformed. But this is not a game of chance, it's a game of knowledge, of strategy, of patience. Are you ready to join the revolution? The financial landscape is changing. Traditional systems are being challenged. Decentralization is the new buzzword. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin started it. They showed us a new way, a way to control our own money. But Bitcoin is just the beginning, the tip of the iceberg. The real opportunity lies in altcoins. This is the story of how one strategy turned $1,000 into $100,000. It's a journey into the heart of the altcoin universe, a journey that could change your life. But first, you must understand the rules of the game. Beyond Bitcoin, diving into the altcoin universe, Bitcoin opened our eyes. It showed us what's possible, but it's just the beginning. The world of cryptocurrencies is vast. It's a universe of its own. And within this universe, there are altcoins, thousands of them, each with its own purpose, its own technology, its own story. Altcoins are alternatives to Bitcoin. They are built on the same principles: decentralization, transparency, security, but they go further. They innovate, they solve problems, they create new possibilities. Some altcoins focus on privacy, others on speed. Some even aim to revolutionize industries, from finance to healthcare to supply chains. Understanding altcoins is key. They are the engines of the crypto revolution, but with great potential comes great risk. The altcoin market is volatile, prices can soar, prices can crash. This is not for the faint of heart. This is for the bold, the curious, the ones who dare to dream big. Laying the foundation, transforming $1,000 into smart investments. $1,000, it's not a fortune, but it's a start, a seed to plant, a chance to grow something big. But you can't just throw it into the abyss. You need a plan, a strategy. First, you need to choose your altcoins wisely. This is not a lottery. This is about research, due diligence, understanding the technology, the team behind it, the market cap, the potential for growth. Diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your risk. Invest in a portfolio of altcoins, each with its own strengths, its own potential. Look for undervalued projects, hidden gems, coins with a strong community, a clear roadmap, a passionate team. This is how you find the winners, the ones that will 10x, 100x, even 1000x your investment. But remember, patience is your greatest ally. Rome wasn't built in a day. The power of knowledge, unlocking the secret altcoin strategy. The secret to success in the altcoin market is not a secret at all. It's knowledge. Information is power. And in the fast-moving world of crypto, it's more valuable than ever. The first step is to immerse yourself in the crypto world. Read everything you can. White papers, articles, blogs. Follow influential figures on Twitter. Join Telegram groups. Listen to podcasts. Attend webinars. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions. Next, master the art of technical analysis. Study the charts, understand the patterns, learn how to read the signals. This will help you identify trends, spot opportunities, and time your entries and exits. But technical analysis is only half the battle. You also need to understand the fundamentals, the technology behind the projects, the team's experience, the market demand, the competitive landscape. Navigating the crypto sea, essential tools for the modern explorer. The world of crypto can feel overwhelming, a vast, uncharted sea of information. But fear not, intrepid explorer. There are tools to guide you, platforms to empower you. Crypto exchanges are your gateway to this new world. They are the marketplaces where you buy and sell altcoins. Choose your exchange wisely. Look for security, liquidity, user-friendliness. Portfolio trackers are your compass. They help you track your investments, monitor your performance, and make informed decisions. Stay informed with news aggregators. These platforms curate the latest crypto news from multiple sources, keeping you ahead of the curve. Social media is your lifeline. Join the conversation, engage with the community, and follow thought leaders. This is where you'll find valuable insights, early warnings, and potential investment opportunities. Riding the crypto wave, timing the market for maximum gains. Timing the market is both an art and a science. It's about understanding market cycles, reading the sentiment, and knowing when to buy, sell, or hold. The crypto market is driven by cycles, periods of euphoria and greed, followed by fear and despair. Learn to recognize these cycles. Don't get caught up in the hype. Don't panic sell when the market dips. Use your knowledge of technical analysis to identify entry and exit points. Look for support and resistance levels, moving averages, chart patterns. These are your guideposts in the volatile sea of crypto. Remember, patience is key. Don't chase pumps. Don't FOMO in. Wait for the right opportunity. And when you see it, seize it. The triumph, turning $1,000 into a staggering $100,000. The journey was not easy. There were ups and downs, moments of doubt, times when the future seemed uncertain. But through it all, one thing remained constant: the strategy. The initial $1,000 investment was carefully nurtured. It was diversified across a portfolio of promising altcoins, each chosen based on meticulous research, technical analysis, and a deep understanding of the market. The portfolio was actively managed, trades were executed with precision, profits were taken, losses were cut short. The strategy was adapted as the market evolved. And then it happened. The portfolio hit the magic number, $100,000. The initial investment had multiplied 100-fold, a testament to the power of knowledge, discipline, and a well-defined strategy. The wisdom of the crypto trail, lessons learned on the road to riches. The journey from $1,000 to $100,000 was more than just a financial success. It was a journey of learning, of growth, of discovering the power of knowledge and the importance of discipline. One of the most important lessons learned was the power of research, taking the time to understand the technology, the team, the market. This is what separates the winners from the losers. Another key lesson was the importance of emotional control. The crypto market is a roller coaster. There will be ups and downs. Don't let your emotions cloud your judgment. Stick to your strategy. Finally, remember that the crypto world is constantly evolving. What worked yesterday might not work tomorrow. Stay curious, keep learning, adapt your strategy. The adventure continues, embracing the future of finance. This is just the beginning. The crypto revolution is still in its early stages. The potential is limitless, but the journey is not over. It's just getting started. The future of finance is decentralized, transparent, accessible to all. Cryptocurrencies are the building blocks of this new world, and altcoins are leading the charge. The journey from $1,000 to $100,000 is a testament to what's possible, but it's just one story, one path among many. The adventure continues. Are you ready to join the revolution?